Whoa, good to see you guys there. How's it going? I like your blooms here. Today, we're gonna show you a video. It's been going on in the greenhouse the last couple weeks. Pretty cool stuff. Come with me. Whoa, natural disaster occurred in here. Some cool things happening in here. This guy right here is what we're talking about today. The Magnolia Purple from June 22nd. Look at those down there. You can see it coming right out of the stem. Look at that. Nice, cool stuff going on right there. Propagation at its finest. We got a Magnolia. It's been in there over a month. Really cool. I'm super excited. First things first, that time, our lovely pruners, a nice spray with the alcohol. Yeah. Oh, look at it. Magnificent. Right here. Magnolia right here was that size last year when we planted it. It's a good purple. It's doing super good. Super good. Very luscious plant. Yeah, right now is the perfect time of the year. Got cutting in June. Cuttings all over this plant. What we're gonna go for today, let me see here. Right there. This guy. We're just gonna hop in here. I'm gonna cut it right there, all the way straight down. Here's our specimen right here. That's what we're gonna work with. Just gonna cut this little dead piece off. What to do is, you can kind of see there's a little node. Create a nice open flesh wound. Got another one right over here. See that guy? Scratch that a little bit. So we got it. It's looking like that. We're gonna use the good old handy dandy Clonex. It's been doing wonders. Actually, we got one more node down here. That'll probably be pretty good. 1, 2, 3. 3 attempts right here. We're gonna try to get some roots coming out of there. We got our nice 1 quart Cocoa Coir. This stuff's been working wonders. It's been doing so much better than soil for me. Propagating these plants. Hey, have a Shasta daisy for you. We just propagated some of those earlier. We're just gonna take our piece, take it, and we're gonna dip it right in there. It's gonna come out with a lot, so kind of want to scrape off the excess. Unless you got tons of this stuff laying around, but I do not. So right now, got this one fully covered, that one fully covered, that guy right there fully covered. Take our dabber, put that right in there, just like that. Nice pack down. But I like to make sure that you label what you're doing. So I'm gonna write Magnolia. And today is 7/26. And it's purple. So just like that. And next month is August. So the end of August, this guy, if everything goes well, it'll look like this guy. And this guy, I could technically plant it in the ground, but I'm gonna let it go for, you know, another month or so, see how much roots we can get going on in here, see how much bigger we can get it. I kind of want to dissect it. Let's see what's going on. We got our ball. We got our nice ball. Where are they at? Boom, sticking right out. Nice pieces. Oh shoot. It's covered all around. And you can see right here, the bottom of the stem. So it's just been shooting them all out this branch. Tons of them. You can even see down here at the bottom. Covered in roots. Very good, very healthy plant. There's a quick video on propagating Magnolia. And thank you for watching I Like Your Blooms. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Leave a comment. We'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.